Take a look at this YouTube channel right here. This channel has gained over 220,000 subscribers with just 39 videos. And if we scroll through, you'll notice that almost every single video is pulling in millions of views, and this means lots of money to their bank account. Now here's what makes this even more interesting. Every video on this channel is an underwater animal POV video. No face, no talking, no expensive equipment, just AI-generated underwater footage. And if they can do it, so can you. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create these same viral underwater animal POV videos using AI, and it's completely free. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is head over to the document link. You'll find it in my Telegram channel, and I've also dropped it in the description below. Go ahead and open that up. Inside, you're going to find two prompts that we'll be using throughout this tutorial. Start by copying the first prompt and pasting it directly into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT is going to generate 10 unique underwater video ideas for us. These are your starting points, so take a moment to pick whichever one catches your eye. Now go back to the document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT as well. But before you run it, you'll notice there's a title section inside the prompt. This is where you paste the video idea you just picked from the previous step. Once that's in place, go ahead and run it. ChatGPT will now break your video idea down into individual scenes. And for each scene, it will generate both an image prompt and a video prompt that we'll be using in the next steps. Now that we have all our scene prompts ready, it's time to start bringing them to life visually. Take the first scene image prompt that ChatGPT generated and paste it into Flow AI. Before you hit Generate, make sure you select Image Select, your preferred aspect ratio. For shorts, you can use the portrait mode for mobile viewers, but for YouTube videos, you'll typically want to go with the standard widescreen option. For the model, select Nano Banana 2. It's the best so far. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click Generate. In just a matter of seconds, the AI will produce your first scene image. And honestly, look at how good that looks. Go ahead and download it if you want, then rinse and repeat this exact same process for every remaining scene prompt that ChatGPT gave you. One by one, paste each image prompt into Flow, generate it, and save it to your folder. By the end of this step, you should have a complete set of scene images sitting in your folder, one for every scene in your video. Once you've got them all downloaded, we're ready to move on to the next step. With all your scene images ready, it's time to turn them into actual video clips. Still inside Google Flow, for those images you generated earlier, go to the first one, which serves as the first scene, click on the three dots, click Animate, and the image will be automatically added as the first frame. Just like before, select Video, choose your aspect ratio, and also select how many output variations you want it to generate. I will choose 1. Select VEO 3.1 Fast. Now, head back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the prompt field in Flow AI. Once everything is in place, hit Generate. And just like that, within moments, your first underwater scene comes to life as a fully animated video clip. Let's preview it. Pretty incredible, right? Go ahead and download that clip, then repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene. Upload the image, paste the corresponding video prompt, generate, and download. Do this until you have a complete set of video clips for your entire video and download them. Now open up your video editing software. For me, I'll use CapCut and import all the clips you just downloaded. Arrange them in the correct scene order, then do a slight zoom in on each clip to crop out any watermarks or logos around the edges. From there, add your cuts and transitions between scenes to keep things smooth and engaging. And just like that, your viral underwater animal POV video is ready. And there you have it. That's the complete step-by-step process for creating viral underwater animal POV videos entirely with AI. No camera, no diving gear, no budget required. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to AI Pipeline so you don't miss any future AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.